At the foothills of the mighty Himalayas, in the heart of Pakistan's beautiful capital, lies a place where ambition takes flight and futures are shaped. A place marked by spectacular architecture, modern infrastructure, and a calming embrace of prolific greenery. This is the National University of Modern Languages, Namal, Islamabad, where every sunrise brings with it the promise of new learning, new connections, and new possibilities. The story of Namal began in 1969, not as a university, but as a humble language institute in Rawalpindi. With just 4 languages, Arabic, English, French, and Hindi, it set out with a simple mission to connect Pakistan to the world. As demand grew, so did Namal. In 1972, it moved to its present location in Islamabad, embarking on a journey that would transform it into one of Pakistan's most dynamic and influential educational institutions. For 3 decades, Namal set new benchmarks in language education. In the year 2000, this excellence earned it the status of a full-fledged university. Today, Namal operates under the leadership of the President of Pakistan as Chancellor, and its Board of Governors is chaired by the Chief of Defence Forces. Guided by the vision of its rector, Namal continues to serve as a national institution of learning, discipline, and innovation. From Islamabad to Karachi, from Lahore to Quetta, from Peshawar to Mirpur Azad Kashmir, Namal's footprint now spans the entire nation. With regional campuses across Pakistan, Namal has become a truly national university, empowering thousands of students each year. Despite its academic expansion, languages remain Namal's soul. The university offers programs in 27 international and Pakistani languages, connecting students to global cultures and deepening understanding of their own. Namal's strength lies in its 3 major administrative divisions: academics, resources, and research and strategic initiatives. The university is home to 5 vibrant faculties: Faculty of Languages, Faculty of Management Sciences, Faculty of Social Sciences, Faculty of Engineering and Computer Sciences, and Faculty of Arts and Humanities. Namal's Islamabad campus includes 1 administrative and 9 academic blocks, each named to honor iconic personalities. Its spectacular auditorium hosts conferences, cultural performances, and academic ceremonies throughout the year. As a language university, Namal celebrates cultural diversity. The annual Spring Festival, one of the most awaited events in the Twin Cities, brings together Pakistan's vibrant cultures and global traditions through exhibitions, cuisines, and artistic expression. The Namal Central Library stands as a treasury of knowledge, offering books, journals, and state-of-the-art digital research facilities for students across all programs. Through its Office of Research, Innovation and Commercialization and the Business Incubation Center at RNSI Division, Namal transforms ideas into impactful research and entrepreneurial ventures. Namal proudly hosts major international institutes, bringing global languages and cultures to its doorstep. With the Confucius Institute, King Sejong Institute, Iranology Center, Yunus Emre Institute, Azerbaijan's Cultural Center, and prestigious Jean Monnet Chair, Namal stands as a bridge between Pakistan and the world. Its international office, NILO, expands these horizons through extensive partnerships with universities, industries, and organizations worldwide. Namal embraces the future with a modern IT infrastructure, equipped with LMS and CMS systems, digital classrooms, recording rooms, translation labs, and video conferencing facilities. A dedicated AI lab and cutting-edge language labs bring advanced educational technologies into everyday learning. Through its placement office, NAMAL connects students with internships and jobs, ensuring a smooth transition from classroom to career. NAMAL's Bureau of Translation and Interpretation is one of Pakistan's first UN-approved translation body, serving public and private sectors with high-quality multilingual services. Through its Executive Development Center, NAMAL gives special focus to the professional training and consistent capacity building of its faculty and staff. NAMAL nurtures not only minds but also character. Its serene community mosque symbolizes the values of integrity, discipline, and spiritual growth. Separate hostels for boys and girls provide a safe, homely environment, while cafeterias and student-run kiosks bring vibrant campus life to every corner. Radio NAMAL and NAMAL Web TV serve as platforms where students broadcast ideas, dialogues, and creative content. Numerous clubs and societies encourage students to explore their creative, literary, and artistic talents, completing their transformative learning experience. From badminton to football, from indoor games to a modern gymnasium, NAMAL promotes a healthy and active lifestyle. Kashmala Talib, a NAMAL student and an Olympian, represented Pakistan in the Olympic Games as pistol shoot. A strong transportation network comprising 30 buses supports the mobility of students, faculty, and staff throughout the Twin Cities. In harmony with the Prime Minister's vision and the UN Sustainable Development Goals, NAMAL is becoming a greener, more sustainable institution through extensive tree plantation and large-scale solarization. This is today's NAMAL, where languages shape identities, where research inspires change, and where moral vision guides the leaders of tomorrow. As NAMAL celebrates its 25 years of contributions, it has become a vibrant center of languages, cultures, and connections, a university rooted in excellence, committed to innovation, and dedicated to shaping a brighter future for Pakistan. NAMAL, your gateway to success.